Right then, gentlemen, today just out do some weeding, getting it ready for the rest of the winter into the spring. Here's my beautiful wavy privet hedge. Go through here, a nice fuchsia there, needs weeding. This I'm going to do is get this cut back, get it weeded, leave those to die down a little bit. They're Japanese anemones. As you can see, I've already cut some of this back. Just going to thin it out, put it back a little bit more, go around here. As you can see, these set seed already, well, say already, they need a good weed, and that top border does. This is a self-seeded silver birch, which I think I'm going to plant probably there from the spring. Put these out for the birds. You've got absolutely nuts for these. And my climbers here. There's my clematis. Just climbing up there with some nice shoots on it. As you can see here, just a bit of weeding to do. We go around here, a bit more weeding. Put those right down. Yeah, my hollyhocks here. As you can see, when they're cut down, they produce a lot of little side shoots. These are my lilies that smell absolutely divine. Come around here. This is my penstemons. I'm going to dig that up and put it in the greenhouse. These won't tick into the greenhouse actually. These are my, let's get the name of them. Agapanthus. These are ones that have grown from seed. So next year I think will be the third year. We go around here. Peony pots that are doing fine. This one's put in the greenhouse. It's a nice pink carnation. And these need putting in there. Had some snow, and a little bit of frost, but nothing too bad. These are my dahlia cuttings that I took in the spring. So these won't take it in. Now they've been frosted off like that. That is the time really when you need to take them in. We can come round. Just a quick look at what's going on. And I will start weeding today. Get my knees hurting me, but I've got my little knee pad there. So I'll get down on my hands and knees and start here. Get both sides of the path done, just to make it look a little bit tidier. Right, as you can see, getting on there now. Start cleaning this bit out. Nearly done this bit here. Just a little bit out of breath. But yeah, as you can see, I've put the lilies back here. These are giant lilies. Beautiful big flowers. And here's my geraniums. They're nice as well. As you come further down, you can see that is my lupin. Needs pruning back. As we go around here now, just show you, this is my carnation. This was from Harriet Flower Show several years ago. Comes back every year. And I'll just get the rest of this weeded now. So I'll be with you in a bit. Thank you. Bye. Right, well that's this bit. I've put these bit down, as you can see. And this bit, my back's absolutely killing me, so I'm knocked on the head. I've only done half an hour, 3/4 an hour. So yeah, as you can see, nicely weeded, everything cut back. My geraniums, my lupins, carnations. These are my beautiful carnations, beautiful white ones. These flowers are absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, as you can see, I've got a lot to do over the next few days. I want to be a little bit drier today, tomorrow. As you can see, wet knees, really wet knees. So yeah, that bit, I just got to work my way around, all the way around. Dizzy, dizzy, dizzy. Right to the end. And then I'm going to buy some chips off to a power washer and get all the front cleaned up then. So yeah, that's a quick tour and a weeding of my front garden. If you've got any questions I'd say to ask folks, like the videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching everybody, please keep safe. Thank you, bye.